So you created two plans.
Yes.
Okay. One is employee, another one is additional plan, which is employer provided. Employer provided plus employee. Correct, sir?
Yeah.
In
Insurance plans. Yeah.
Could you help me the plan names, please?
There's BRT Group Life Insurance.
This both,
Yeah.
right,
Yeah.
sir?
So yeah.
Okay, so let me check the basic ones, please. Provider you have selected, type you have selected, which means two types you created. Excellent. Then covers employee, insurance coverage, two different coverages, groups. Okay. Hourly salary also you have selected. That's absolutely fine. Rates also you have created. Okay. So first up, what I do is I will try to assign this plan to an employee so that we'll get to know what is the error and then we'll start troubleshoot, sir. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead. I actually assigned it to an employee, and the first one showed
Mm-hmm.
up, but the supplement I did not show up.
Oh, okay. So do you have that employee name?
Uh, Jake Lee.
JT. Oh, our favorite employee.
Yeah,
Okay.
our friend.
Okay. BRT. Plan name is BRT Group Life. BRT Supplement. It looks like both plan has not been assigned. I mean, not in, okay. We'll give it a try now. No problem.
Okay.
Change benefits. So, may I know which event you created here, sir?
Uh, BRT Group Life Event.
Group life event.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
Sure, you showed one, but the second one is not coming up.
Mm. You already have event in progress. Okay. We need to cancel this since that employee has the event in progress.
But the other one is still okay. That's it. Yeah.
So, I got your point. It's giving only one, not two events. Okay. Change benefits.
A bit up. Yeah, that's it. BRT Group Life.
Okay. Mm. Okay. You
No.
given only one
Okay.
coverage.
It's going to be the second
You mean to say
BRT,
one, right?
the one down. Yeah,
This
insurance.
one.
So yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
Because,
You
yeah,
included group life insurance coverage, supplemental insurance. Okay. So looks like you have selected. I'll just adjust the name to BRT insurance event employee and employer.
okay.
Looks like this is okay. Quickly, I'll check the events also.
No, it will be on that BRT ongoing event.
Now I got that one, sir. Because the benefit group has not been mapped for this, that's why it is not coming in. So please always select this one. I will take one class, as I mentioned, after completion of our all plans. I will explain enrollment event rule. Okay. So
Oh, okay.
actually, when you say enrollment event rule, it is not a standalone task, sir. Okay. It looks like that it is standalone, but there are benefit groupings, other configurations we need to perform that we have to discuss. Okay. So go
Oh,
with me.
okay. To enable you to work or
Yeah. So what happens here is we need to
so
get first.
okay. We have to remove it in the one that I created because
No,
it's
no, no. That doesn't harm. Doesn't harm. No problem.
okay.
Doesn't harm because we need to do the mappings on the enrollment event pool at group level. So in your event tool which you created, groupings might not happen. That's why it's not available. Now all your configuration is excellent. Maybe the groupings and enrollment event tool is done separately. No? That's the reason. Let's see
Okay.
now. Okay. BRT, BRT,
That's
enroll.
the additional, yeah.
Right. So
Yeah, the BRT is group life.
group life.
No, not that one.
Oh, not
The
that one.
B,
Okay.
no.
No problem. No problem. We'll select the right one.
Mine is BRT.
BRT
After, yeah, the first one, was supplemental, then there's,
life
that's it.
insurance.
Yeah, yeah.
And then the other one is
The other one is supplemental. Okay.
supplement. Okay, sir.
That's
This
it,
is
yeah.
as usual. Same thing will go here. Okay.
Down, further down,
Oh, yeah.
the last. Yeah,
Right.
yeah. That's it.
Yeah. It's not, I'm
Group life.
selecting, not happening.
Yeah.
Allowed plan benefit changes. Can select any plan. There's no dependent. So going directly to this coverages. This session is yet to take, sir.
Yeah.
So until we are getting familiar what we need to select. What happens each one we will select, we will explain in detail. Okay, I think now it's good to looks like the tenant is slow. Okay, we'll go on test this now. Okay, sir. Both are there.
Mm. Okay.
We will test it. Again, it should allow us to select also, no? So We will do that also.
No, it needs beneficiary.
Yeah, made it mandatory. Okay.
100%.
Yeah. Now it should also allow us. How much?
Okay.
Any
Okay.
amount?
Yeah. Just say anyhow. Yeah.
Okay. Both are enrolled, sir. Maybe you want
Yeah,
to.
but hold on, don't wait. It's a
Ooh,
cost per paycheck.
sorry,
Six.
sorry.
So per paycheck for that is going to be like 6,300
Okay. Do you want me
cost
to?
to the employee.
Can I
No,
cancel this?
no. It's okay. I'm just trying to look at
Cost.
because when I created the rate that I put there, I scaled it under the rate for the supplementer. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why they cost, because I expect that the cost per for the cost is supposed to just be like maybe $60 or so. I can't remember. I didn't put this high figure.
No, no, I will tell you, sir.
Okay,
Sorry.
how does it compute? I think that is where.
I will help you. So here,
Okay,
$60 per thousand. $60 per thousand, sir. Okay. Edit insurance rate. Um, could you help me what name you have given here?
BRT supplemental insurance rate. That's it.
Hmm.
Oh, let me see whether that was the one I used or the one for the
So
one that.
here, apply rate
No,
for ten
sorry,
thousand dollars.
it's not going to be this one because this one is like this just a straight line.
Mm-hmm.
This one is straight line. So the one that I use, let's change it. The one is for BR2 supplemental insurance
Okay,
employee.
now, sorry, I didn't get you. Do you want me to change the amount?
No. Let's edit another one. There's another in. I think I created this twice. So the one I used was. Let's go down. Yeah, that was the one I used.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Right, sir. Okay, thousand
Uh-huh.
dollars per
Yeah,
rate. Apply rate
yeah.
1,000. Okay. So you get a flat one only here based on years, age based on the age in years.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I needed to achieve the band.
Right, right.
Yeah, because the first one I saw that when you create it, it's just going to apply that $60 on whatever band that you take. It's not
Hmm.
going to distinguish whether for this thing, but it's only when you take for using demographics of either age or this thing that is going to give you the opportunity to be able to apply rate on
Correct.
the different band.
Right. Let's see that.
Or you okay? You didn't check the rating. I thought you wanted to see.
No problem, sir. Now
Okay,
he
you wanted to see
yes,
the
sir,
age. Okay,
63. Okay.
okay,
So according to your rate, he falls here. Okay. Let me see here.
okay,
Okay, you have given one up to 61 to 70. He will fall here, sir. This rate is applicable. Okay. This rate is
okay,
70.
okay.
Now help me. How many coverage we selected for this guy? $90,000.
$90.
Okay.
90,000. Yeah.
$90,000 divided by 1,000. $90. $90 multiply by the rate 6,300. Perfect.
Okay. So that was how you got that amount. Okay.
Okay. No
Okay.
worries, sir. You
Okay.
got that point, right? How it,
Yeah.
yeah. So employee falls as per the age here, sir, and you have given
Okay.
70. So 70, whatever you have mentioned, $1,000 apply rate per $1,000. Okay. Now we have chosen here ta, 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 90,000. First divided by 1,000. It comes 90. 90 multiplied by rate. You have given 70. Where it is? Sorry. Oh, here. So that's why 6,300 has been
Okay. 70
calculated.
times 9. Okay. 70 times 9. Okay.
Got it, right? Okay. Perfect.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Okay.
which means that in real time, in actual life scenario, the cost might not be as high as this.
Sorry. Could you repeat again? The cost?
Yeah, when I'm saying that, this is just a practice, but when it comes to the real life deployment, right?
Mm-hmm.
The costs in terms of what the premium that they're going to pay will not be as high as this per month because
Oh, it's a
so they're
flat
not
amount
expected to
then.
pay like 6,000 or something per month on this.
Okay. Okay. Understood. So it could be a flat amount then. This is the minimum max like that. Okay. Okay. Fine. Very good. Any questions, sir, on this part?
No, no question.
Okay. Now we'll proceed and we'll see. And again, this review will come. That's the challenge. Okay. Now, shall we start, or do you want to discuss more any other scenarios on insurance, or can we move on to HSA, FSA?
Yeah, let's go to HSA, FSA. Uh,
HSA, FSA. Okay. Before
I'm
we start, one disclaimer I would like to highlight on HSA, FSA. HSA, FSA, we have a one logic, sir. The pay periods are calculating based on the pay frequency. Okay, the amounts. So which means, okay, let me explain. What I'm trying to say here is whenever creating a plan, but don't worry, I do have shared tenant. I can try there. It will work 100%. In this tenant, I don't. Do not capture remaining pay periods. Okay, these details we have, sir. So what happens? Please correct me if my understanding is wrong. Because these two plans are applicable only for USA, which is called flexible spending account, HSA, FSA.
Okay, yeah.
And whatever the amount you mentioned, that amount also will check the number of pay periods in the payroll, how many pay periods needs to be completed per annum. So based on that, it will allow. Okay, let's configure it. It's fine, absolutely. Okay, sir. We'll start configuring this one. Okay, two plans will configure HSA and FSA both. Okay. So as usual, we'll start from maintain benefit coverage type. Let's get HSA. Should I give a view AMD health savings? Beneficiary designation, optional or mandatory, we can select. We will do select bank account. Okay, that will be the same. Okay. So which provider we will select here? Any suggestion?
Brightway is there.
Brightway Investments. Okay, sir. Then health savings HSA. Okay. Every health savings. But while you do practice, give a try for hourly wage employees also, sir. Yeah.
Say that again.
While you do practice, play around with hourly wage employees as well. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So that we will understand how it works. So this is annual only, right? HSA, FSA
Yeah,
frequency,
it's annual.
annuals, correct. Okay, here we have the things, sir. So if you select the checkbox, do not calculate remaining pay periods. So if you want employees or administrators to enter the number of remaining pay periods during enrollment, leave the checkbox as blank. Okay. Or if you want to use the payroll period schedules to calculate the remaining pay periods during enrollment. Okay, two things, sir. If you select this, while you're assigning this plan to an employee, you have an option to mention the remaining pay periods. So, for example, a $5,000 per annum you are contributing for 12 months. But it is not like periodically exact amount we need to pay, right? Sometimes you can pay $500 or sometimes you can pay $5,000 at once. Correct. So what Workday suggests here, if you want to define the remaining pay periods, just select this checkbox manually if you want to enter. Or if you unselect it, Workday automatically checks the employee pay period, how many pay periods left. Based on that, it will default the value. To make it simple, if you are using in-house USA payroll, keep this as unselect, so that while assigning the plan itself, it will number of pay periods will be defaulted. If you select the checkbox, you need to enter the pay periods manually at the time of assigning the plan. Is it clear, sir? Any questions?
So
Or
that
go on.
one should always be unchecked, right?
It depends, sir. If you have in-house payroll, two options, sir. Okay. Or let me do one thing. Let me pick this one during testing. I will discuss more because you can see on the screen. Is it fine?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. These are additional instructions. Plan cost, benefit group. Okay. So these are, we are aware maximum how much employee can contribute. Okay. What is the minimum contribution and what is the employee's contribution? The details we can define here. Okay. Now let me configure it with some values. Any recommendations on min and max? Or okay, let me give maximum contribution 3,600.
Okay, that's for the employee, right?
Yeah, 3,600. Minimum contribution for employee is 1. Maximum for family 7,200. I'm just giving random numbers, okay? 1. Is that fine?
Anyway, for HSA, right? Because the way HSA runs is in the beginning of the way when you enroll for HSA, you have HSA and you have FSA that is also showing in your in the event that you need that you can enroll when it comes to health. But the way HSA runs is that an account is opened for you by your employer, right?
Okay.
So at the beginning of the year, when you enroll, for instance, they will credit your account to up to like 1,200, which is the most for family, 1,200, right? I think
Yeah.
maybe for employee only is maybe like 700 or so per annum that they will credit you. So if you now need to do additional, that amount is paid solely by the employer into your account for your health purpose. You can use it as you want to do only for health purpose. So then if you want to do additional contribution to it, you can make additional contribution your paycheck on every month into that account that you'll be adding to it, right? So that's the way HSA runs.
Okay. Okay. If the employee contributed, but the employee is not utilized the amount, that employee can claim the amount or get a
No,
refund. No, right? It won't.
it's just in your credit. It will be they put it in your credit in an account for you. So
Oh,
if you either spend it, if you don't spend it, it is yours. Once at the beginning of the year, in January, for instance, now you will be credited. So you have it. If you go to hospital or you go to pharmacy, you use it. If you don't use it, you can carry it on to another year. So the money
yeah.
keeps increasing in that account. But
Okay.
for FSA, you cannot carry FSA,
Mm-hmm.
flexible spending. So
Right.
whatever amount you have in flexible spending for the year has to be expended. If I have a balance of 500 in it, I can't carry it to the new year. For
Uh,
instance,
okay.
that's it. That's the difference between that and
Okay.
HSA.
And
You get
also, we cannot group the amounts also from this account to HSA to FSA or FSA to HSA, right? So both are standalone.
they are standalone.
Makes sense.
They have different rules guiding them by IRS, that is the internal revenue. So they have every year they have a standard of how much goes into HSA. Let me Google what goes to HSA for 20 this year, for instance. The
Right.
massive contribution.
So, what is the purpose of these plans? For instance, let's say if employee doesn't have money to pay healthcare benefits, then from this account they can pay the amount, something like that.
Exactly, because after you have done your health, this thing, you will still enroll for the health, right?
Mm.
Which company pays some amount, but still in the US, when you go to the hospital, there's what we call copay, right? And
Yeah.
certain things they have, they give you certain treatment. They will tell you, uh, your insurance will tell you they're paying 80%, so the rest 20% is on you. Or you go to pharmacy, you buy some drugs, they will tell you this drug is $100, but your employer has your insurance has paid $80, so you have the balance of $20 to pay. So rather than pay from cash, right? So you
Yeah.
use HSA account, right,
Mm.
to pay
Okay.
for that all those kind of expense, either pharmacy or health. This thing you can't go to supermarket to use it. You can't go to Walmart or anything. This you can really for health related issues alone. Those are the things
Right.
that
Makes sense.
you use it for.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that knowledge, sir. Now I'm quite clear. So normally we used to configure, but a deep dive like knowledge much we don't
Yeah.
have. But thank you. So
For
shall we?
instance,
Yeah.
the HSA contribution limit for 2023 are
Mm.
3,850 for self-only coverage. If it's
Okay.
going to be for only employee, but if it's going to be for family, it's going to be 7,750 for family coverage.
Mm.
You get so then if you are 55 and older, you can have additional 1,000 contributed into your
Mm.
account. So that's so okay. The HSA contribution limit for 2023 347 only, and then for family and all that. So
Okay. Okay.
okay. You get it now.
Yeah, yeah, I got it fully. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Sure, sir. Shall I save this record and proceed for test? How that works, we'll see.
Yeah, let's just
Right.
yeah.
Now, the rest of the standard setup is standard. So I'm gonna create benefit event. Oh, so I can wanna should I give you BRT or AMD? Which one?
Yeah, you are used to AMD, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Such thing is easy. Okay, sir. AMD HSA. Okay, we'll give health savings account, and then HSA, AMD health savings accounts. No, 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 no. So this is still okay. Anyhow, we have default, we have access. So we also need to discuss these values during passive events. I will pick up. We need to cover this. We need to cover this in the business process class. I will explain. Yeah. Okay. Then edit enrollment event rule.
And the beautiful thing about HS is that any amount you contribute to it is not taxable.
Pre-tax, right? Yeah, it's a
It's
pre-tax.
not. It's not taxable. So if I decide to go and save that 30,000 or more into my health savings account, right, I will not pay tax on it.
Oh,
So, so people, yes, is a way of also uh, beating the IRS rule.
that's the one. That's the good one, sir. Yeah. Even this healthcare savings also, if employee contributing or healthcare or insurance, is that also pre-tax or post? It falls under pre-tax or post-tax? Oh,
It's pre-tax.
it's a pre-tax. Okay. Only additional benefit plans. Retirement also pre-tax. For not one 401k is also
No,
pre-tax.
no, no. Those are post-tax. They are
Post.
because you they don't for 401k you don't pay tax. You don't pay
Right.
except you go and make withdrawal on it until when you are reach certain age. That
Hmm.
is you have access to it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Right. Let's just say. Hmm. Right. Hmm.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, sorry to ask, just want interested. May I know like which state you're from, which state you're working for?
Oh, I'm in Georgia.
Georgia. Okay, great. Defaulting rules. Okay, sir. Oh yeah, families be selected, right? Oh, no. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Whom we will go with for test, sir, testing, sir? Exactly. Exactly. So these are all sample data in Workday. Okay. I think the other process is in progress. Let's see it will allow or not. So just 1 day passed. Okay. Submit. Open. Let's get start. Enroll. Uh, Hmm.
It says you must
It's
first
vague.
elect a high deductible health plan. For more information about it, so please go to the.
There's a dependency on this. In order to elect health savings plan, you must first select a high deductible health plan. For more information, blah, blah, blah. Not enrollment is allowed
Yeah.
anytime.
So there must be, it normally has a health classification, which is health deductible, high deductible. We have high deductible and have low deductible health plan. So that's those are the places for some of this thing that has some of the complications, right? It's not the health. So it's not like it just go straight. One must understand the high deductible, the low deductible, and all of those tricks for
Yeah.
one to know the right one to choose and when you are making the configuration as well.
So here I have some instructions. It's saying like either select HSA or FSA, but not
Yeah,
both.
yeah. You can
Usually
select both. So if
both.
you are taking health savings plan, you cannot do flexible spending. So it's either you do flexible spending account or you do health savings plan.
In that case, we need to create both the plans and one coverage event and give a try. Makes sense. I think that plan also I need to create in that case. Sir. Quickly, I will create that without submitting. I'll just cancel the current event so that we can do testing.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, let's create that one. All right. We'll select it optional.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Only one election by default. It is picking up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Credit card or bank. Okay.
Hmm.
Anyone. Okay, yeah. Both are okay.
Both are same. Yeah. Next, create. Right. Under one event itself, I will include both.
You have not created a plan.
Yeah, correct. So I'll adjust that. I'm sure the flexible spending account we are able to select, but not the other one. I remember in during my training when I was taking from Workday. Yeah, let's try. Oh, sorry. Let's try that. Okay, it's correct on the right. Create benefit plan. Who will select? Okay, I will select yours.
Uh,
Bright,
Brightway.
right way.
No, BRI.
BRI. Yes,
Yeah,
plant and
flexible.
FSA, FS spending account, right? Yeah. Okay. What values will give here, sir? Any suggestion?
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just say 5,000.
5,000 max.
Yeah.
And minimum one.
We can leave that. Okay.
Employer I will left blank.
No, employer, let's say, yeah, let's leave employer.
Okay. I will change this to okay. Okay. So here is a question. Can we create cross-plan dependency? Either one plan only can be selected or
I
what
think,
has inbuilt
yeah, I
feature.
think we need to do that.
Yeah.
Spending.
Pending account. Yeah. 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 Okay. Good to go. Oh, okay. I need to map also, right? Pending account. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. We also need to discuss Cobra as well. Yeah, after completion of all plans.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Good to go. Which one we will enroll, sir? First,
Health
yes,
savings account.
health savings account. This is what I always get that. See, it's not allowing us to select, but if I cancel that plan, I'm able to select. I'm sure I'm able to. This is the same issue happened earlier. Something I have done. See,
Okay.
and let's say your estimated contribution made this year. So see, so it's not defaulting. Okay, remaining paychecks. Okay, minimum $12, maximum annual you can up to $60,000. So this calculation is coming from we give min and max 5,000,
Okay. We'll
right?
say 5,000. So in us, okay.
Oh, monthly we give, right? Okay, makes sense. 5,000 multiplied by 12, 60
Okay.
maximum. $1 multiplied by 12, minimum
That's
$12.
right.
Yeah, okay. Per paycheck, your estimated contribution made this year, let's say $10,000. Automatically it will pick up per paycheck. Okay, I think it'll give error. Okay, let's see. Now I will go here. You see this one, sir. This is the
Mhm.
same thing I got in. I got into run into. You can select that plan, but this plan is auto waived off. Is it something really because of this? Okay, I believe if the employees already have a healthcare plan, then HSA might not be enabled. You can select either the following plans, but not both. AMD. So this is our one we created. In order to elect a health savings plan, you must first elect a highly deductible health plan, HDHV. You must first elect a, okay, we'll do one thing. Does this guy has highly deductible health plan?
Yeah. And that is where the problem is. The high deductible.
Mhm.
You're supposed to
Yeah.
create an classification.
Right. It doesn't have any healthcare plan. We'll do one thing. We'll assign a healthcare plan for this guy, and then we'll bring our plan. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, I need to cancel these processes. Okay, let me cancel all. HBHB, highly deductible healthcare plan. Okay, we have that plan in the system. Medical Aetna. Okay, we'll assign this plan. HDHP. But this plan is grouped under which event? I'm just looking to the correct benefit events. Yeah.
No, that's just for.
Yeah, I think this will work. Okay. Mm, maybe life event.
Yeah, that cannot be.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you when you added the highly deductible, under which this thing did you go to then? So that we can trace it from there and see which
Okay. Yeah, not sure because that's the workday plan. Could be this might new hire might help. No. Okay, not a problem. We'll create a setup for the plan and then we'll proceed, sir. HDHP. Type is medical. Okay, medical.
That's not it. We're not going to get it that way.
Yeah. Okay. No worries. We'll create our own.
We have to create our own to know
Correct.
properly it, yeah.
Sure.
We didn't create a plan.
Okay. I'm reviewing the existing plan, sir. So health one.
Okay.
Okay. So just we'll do a quick round of testing.
Because you'll not be able to. Okay, let me see.
Yeah.
So what we are trying to do is to add the high deductible to it.
Okay. So now I'm a bit surprised, not sure whether this also works. If this doesn't work, we'll create a brand new plan. Mm-hmm. Mr. Jetli. Mm. This one we created. Medical aid now. Oops. Which event I selected?
No, that did you
No,
change it? Okay.
not this one, sir.
No, not that. It's
Same.
supposed to be the FSA and
No, 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 not that one. For to assign this HDHP, I created an event. Sorry, what's happening? We are testing one plan and another plan is demanding. Interesting. Let's me figure it out here. Okay, it's my bad. Allow me 1 minute. Create benefit event. AMD healthcare HDHP offering is healthcare coverage targets. Just medical. Okay. Hmm. Add the row. AMD HDHP. Yeah. I will explore more on this why this HDHP is mandatory. Let you know, sir, on this. Child and spouse. Spouse. Okay. Select one. Okay. Okay, sir. We're able to assign. Quickly, I will approve all the approvals. This step we have removed, but still it's coming in. Mm-hmm. It's wrong. So you got the issue. You got the reason why we got an issue. Hello.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Sorry. Here the Cobra event is unnecessarily. This is defaulting and it's really annoying. It's just in progress only. Someone is adding this back. Some people is tweaking the business process. Every time it's triggering for Cobra. Somehow
Yeah.
negative condition I created now, so it will exclude, but it might be awaiting from someone else who quickly approve it. Again it went, but it's not showing whom is waiting. Oh, process. Oh, same thing again. Condition failed. Okay. Even if I proxy this guy, okay, we'll give a try whether it is coming or not. It is not there. It's not there. Ah, boring works, huh? One type of learning. Because this BP is really annoying. Normally, review Cobra eligibility, we will trigger, we will include only the termination business process. If you're terminating an employee, then this,
Yeah, that's when it's supposed to go. Yeah, it's supposed to be. That's when you
yeah.
enter.
But here, people, someone just like that they included, and this really, and while they including also what mistake they did is they edited the business process with some date. Always we need to edit the business process as of today. So these are the issue. Now it will work if I assign this as of today. Change benefits. Hmm. Did not trigger any approval now. Submit. Okay, sir. Now we are good to test. We are given this plan. Now we'll assign our plan. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah. While working on one plan, my mind is going out. So today we assign. So tomorrow I will select this one. Now I want to test this will allow us to select or not. Still not.
Still not allowing us.
Select a plan or waive to opt out family health savings account. Let me do this way. First we are able to. Mhm. Okay, sir, I will try to figure it out what went wrong. And though here we have assigned HDHP. Okay.
Maybe we should just leave this so that you can research it and we can come back to it later.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Maybe you
This
need to research it and check through your workday notes and trainings that you have had before. Since you said you have not deployed.
right, this one.
So,
No worries, sir. I will explore and come back to you on this.